So we have uh, logged in, and then inside the Microsoft Power BI service, we need to go to My Workspace. So once I click on this My Workspace, you can see that this type of window is there, and you can see that we can add a new item to our workspace, and then we can click here, new item. Okay, we need to create and here you can see that it has upload. Inside upload, we can see here it's a browse, and then we need to go to C, local disk C, and then users, and then students, student, and then downloads, and then 09 create dashboard, and inside this 09 is starter. So we have followed these all steps. If prompted to replace the semantic model, select replace it. So we need not require this, but you can see that our report has been inserted inside the workspace. Now we need to create a dashboard. In this task, you will create the sales monitoring dashboard, and you will pin a visual from the report and add a tile based on the image data URL, and use Q&A to create a tile. In the Power BI service, open this report. Let's open this. So in the overview page, this is the overview page, set the year slicer to FY 2020. I will zoom it in. FY, so it is already set to year FY 2020, if you can see here. See, FY 2020 is already selected. Set the region slicer to select all. So region slicer is also selected all. And pinned visual are set with the filter context at time of pin. If the underlying visual changes, you will need to update the dashboard tile as well. For time-based filters, it's a better idea to use a relative data date slicer or Q&A using a relative time-based question. To create a dashboard and pin a visual, hover the cursor over the sales and profit margin by month and column or line visual, and select the push pin. Okay, so we need to go to sales and profit margin by month. This is the one. So let's see where we can find that icon. Okay, so you can see it's showing in bottom. So this pin visual, we can do this. So we have clicked on this, and you can see pin to dashboard pop-up has been uh, implemented. In the pin to dashboard window, in the dashboard name box, enter sales monitoring. Dashboard name, we need to enter sales monitoring, and then select pin. Select pin. Okay, so we have followed this. Open my workspace and open sales monitoring dashboard. Okay, open my workspace and then click on sales monitoring dashboard. Let's see what is there. Notice the dashboard has a single tile. Yes, we can see the dashboard has a single tile. Perfect. The similar one. To add a tile based on a question, at the top left corner of the dashboard, select ask a question uh, about your data. So you can see this one is the one which we need to, you can use the Q&A feature to ask a question and Power BI will respond with a visual. If we can click on this, select any one of the suggested question beneath the Q&A box and review the response. Okay. Remove all the text from the Q&A box and enter the following sales YTD. Okay, we will do this.